Hola, buenos dias. How are you? Today I will show you Tieh Kuan Yin, and I want to explain to you about the Tieh Kuan Yin because we have a Tieh Kuan Yin, and I see maybe you stole some place they will say 正统铁观音. So I will explain to you what different they are. They are Tieh Kuan Yin in Taiwan 木栅猫空, and they use traditional process. I made the Tieh Kuan Yin different with the Anxi Tieh Kuan Yin now. Is the 正统铁观音, and sometimes you can find 铁观音. Both them, they made according to traditional process. Before I explain, let's have a tea of Tieh Kuan Yin first. Okay, I will open the new one for you, special. Okay, let's brew tea first. Let's brew 正统铁观音. Now we are prepare the tea leaf of Tieh Kuan Yin and going to brew them soon. Well, welcome if you can prepare the tea set and we brew tea together. Every time, welcome brew tea with me together. Not only looking, not only watch. If we brew tea together, I think it's better. And I think you remember, if you watch our channel every time, you will know what I'm doing now. Okay. And what I will do next step, warm the tea set. It make our tea more aroma. Okay, here no Tieh Kuan Yin. And this moment, 闻香, don't forget, 闻香, the aroma of Tieh Kuan Yin also good and different with other tea. So 闻香 very important. And we put the hot water. Tieh Kuan Yin, traditional process Tieh Kuan Yin need hot water. And we also warm the cup. And then here we are. Of course, if you like strong tea, you can have more time, put inside more time. Here is our first brew of 正统铁观音. Of course, we can have many times. Repeat brew. The tea of Tieh Kuan Yin, 正统铁观音, can be brewed around about 10 times. Is my experience. Okay, let's enjoy the Tieh Kuan Yin. Have a cup of tea, please. 请喝茶，谢谢。正统铁观音 use the tea tree is Tieh Kuan Yin, name Tieh Kuan Yin, and the process also for Tieh Kuan Yin is post to Tieh Kuan Yin. So we call 正统铁观音. And if just Tieh Kuan Yin, they use other kind of tea tree. We have many tea tree, different kind in Taiwan. And doesn't matter Tieh Kuan Yin or 正统铁观音, they use the same process, the traditional process for 铁观音. They just use different tea tree, but in same process. The important is the process is traditional. So Taiwan 木榨猫空铁观音 is traditional process 铁观音. Here we are 铁观音. I want to show you where is the 木榨猫空. Then you can find the 铁观音 easy. It's really very near Taipei station. You take metro in Taipei station, then go to Taipei Zoo. After you change cableway, go to Mao Kong is Mu Zha Zoo, and you change cable car to Mao Kong. In Mao Kong, they have many 铁观音 just in Taipei City. You can find tea production of 铁观音 traditional process. Wonderful 铁观音 for you. They are waiting for you. If you are interested, let me know. I will tell you more in details. Bye bye.